I'm going to Five Below so I can buy another disposable camera. But this time I'll get the photos developed and show you them. Alright, so here it is. I actually haven't seen any video about these on YouTube so far. So this might be the first one. I'm just gonna check it out, see if the film is good and if the photos are in focus. So I got it and now I'm at home. I'm too lazy to get a knife, so I'm just gonna use a screwdriver. And here it is. But now it's time to test this out and see if the photos are in focus and if the film in here is actually pretty good. And it looks like you have to put in your own battery for the flash. So I'll put that in. There we go. Now let's take some photos with this. And I have one photo left, so I'm gonna take a picture of just this. So here's our film. Now it's time to go to CVS and get the photos developed and see how they came out.
To 1060.
So I finally got the photos after 3 weeks. Let's see how they came out. So this is the CD, picture CD. Yeah, the ISO of this film must have been like 100 ISO because yeah, these photos are really like dim. And that one photo I took of the outside isn't anywhere. Maybe it's found on the CD. I'll check later. I think that the camera, the actual camera itself, is alright. But the film stock is on the darker side, so you will need to use flash for basically all of your photos unless you're in broad daylight. So yeah, if you're planning on reloading it with a different film stock, it's a good camera for doing that. And if you want to use it as an actual disposable camera, like use the built-in film stock, I wouldn't get this since it's $10 for 10 pictures. I would recommend getting a Kodak FunSaver or a Kodak Power Flash or a Fujifilm 400 camera. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Yup.